In the heart of nature, a remarkable transformation occurs during the cold winter months. The bear, a symbol of resilience and power, retreats into its den, entering a deep sleep known as hibernation. This period of rest, often perceived as inactivity, is instead a crucial phase of renewal and regeneration. While to some it might seem like giving up, for the bear, it is an essential period of growth in which it gathers strength for the challenges that lie ahead. Hibernation serves a greater purpose beyond mere survival. Imagine the bear curling up in a cozy cave, its body slowing down, conserving energy and resources. During this time, it undergoes incredible physiological changes. Its heart rate drops significantly lowering its metabolic demands. Yet, despite its stillness, the bear's mind is active, preparing for the awakening into a new season. This unique rhythm of rest is a reminder that pauses in our lives do not equate to failure. Rather, they are opportunities for internal fortification. As winter fades and the first hints of spring bloom, the bear awakens, embodying strength and vigor. Having rested, it emerges renewed, ready to explore its surroundings, find food, and assert its dominance in the wild. The journeys it undertakes following hibernation reflect the endless possibilities that await after periods of rest. When we take time to pause and recharge, we too can rise with a fresh perspective, armed with insights and renewed energy to pursue our aspirations. In our own lives, we often forget the power of hibernation. Society pushes us to keep moving, to constantly chase after achievements. However, the bear teaches us that resting is not quitting. Instead, resting is a vital component of our rhythm of growth. By allowing ourselves moments of stillness, we can reflect, plan, and recalibrate our goals. This transformative time can fuel our creativity, enhance our focus, and ultimately strengthen our resolve when we choose to re-enter the world. The cycle of hibernation and awakening echoes in our personal and professional domains. Embracing periods of rest prepares us for the inevitable challenges that come with growth. Like the bear, let us recognize that each season carries its own purpose, and it is through these phases that we develop into stronger versions of ourselves. So let us not fear the quiet moments. Instead, may we cherish them as opportunities to rise stronger and unstoppable.